Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about couple of issues that you may face while using Adobe Illustrator. These are quite small issues but can get very frustrating. So let's get started. So first one is, if I select, as you can see, even if I select any object, I'm not getting the bounding box which I usually get. So it is not visible, so I cannot resize the object very easily, and again I cannot rotate the object from here. Obviously we can use different method to reshape or rotate the object, but I cannot do it from here. So it's a very simple fix. You need to go to view and turn on this option, show bounding box, or you can use the shortcut keys like shift control B or shift command B if you are using Mac. So if I turn this on, then I'll get the bounding box so that I can easily resize the object, or I can rotate the object as well. As you can see, resize and rotate. So this is a very simple fix, yet it is quite frustrating at times if you don't know the answer or don't know the solution. So simply go to view. If you want to hide the bounding box, you can simply click over hide bounding box. So the bounding box will be hidden. Again, if you want it back, then go to view, show bounding box. So it is better to keep it on. So this is first issue. The second issue is quite simple actually. Let's say if I draw a square and if I rotate this, and let's say by using the pen tool, if I remove this one and I select the selection tool, now as you can see, even if I deleted this part, so this is, we can call it as a dead space. So even if I have deleted this part, but still the bounding box is showing over that place, as you can see. But what if I don't want the bounding box over here? I only want this bounding box on the object itself which is remaining. So I can simply go to object, transform and reset bounding box. So it will be reset on the remaining object. So I will show you once again. So this is the bounding box which is showing on the dead space, but if I go to object, transform and reset bounding box, so it will only show on the remaining object. So these are the couple of options that you, or the couple of issues that you may face in Adobe Illustrator. So this is how we can fix those issues. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.